Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the F&M Bank OHINMI app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. F&M Bank OHINMI is a mobile banking app designed to give customers easy access to their accounts across Ohio, Indiana, and Michigan. The app includes features such as account management, mobile check deposits, bill payments, and fund transfers. It also offers real-time transaction alerts, secure login options, and access to customer support, all in a user-friendly interface. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the clean layout, intuitive navigation, and responsive performance. The app makes routine banking tasks like checking balances, paying bills, and transferring funds straightforward and convenient. Many users also like the mobile deposit feature and real-time notifications, which help them stay on top of their finances. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features may feel limited compared to desktop banking, and occasional lag has been reported. Customer support access is good but can vary depending on region, and some users may find certain options less robust than larger banking apps. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the F&M Bank OHINMI app may be worth using if you're a customer looking for convenient, mobile-friendly banking across the 3 states. It shines in ease of use, account accessibility, and real-time notifications. However, if you need more advanced financial tools or multi-platform features, it might not fully meet all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.